today's video, we're focusing on the daily. I know y'all gonna say, what's wrong with the daily? It's just the daily. Believe it or not, it's a lot of shit wrong with this daily, but we just gonna focus on one problem today. His problem is, this bitch ain't got no power steering. Driving, you know, at a maneuver, at a stop, and not really, as you seen. But when I'm driving, yeah, it's alright. It's because the car's in motion or whatever. But complete stop, hard to turn, and yeah, it gets a little annoying. I think I might know the solution to why I don't have power steering. So on my way to Honda, I go. All right, so I put up the Honda to grab the part that I needed to fix the power steering, and now we finna go fix the power steering. All right, so I got power steering fluid everywhere. It's really transmission fluid, but same thing. Yeah, it's literally everywhere. It's on the belts, it's on the alternator. It looked like it's coming from right here. Look like it's coming from this hose. So I guess this might be a high pressure hose. Don't know. But obviously it ain't nothing in there. Power steering ain't working. So I think I'm gonna take this hose off and look and see what's under there. It's probably an O-ring under there. Talk. If your power steering ain't working, it's probably that. I'm not gonna lie to you. That's probably what it is. Keep that blue point on standby. Yeah. Where my 10 at? Yeah. Alright. It's not a 10. It's because what I'm holding ain't a 10. It's 11. Alright, so it's a 10, but I don't know why my 10 was in the 11 spot and my 11 was in the 10 spot. Dang. Alright, let's just take these. Take these off. Should be able to take them off by hand. And when I lift this up, hopefully there should be a O-ring. Well. Would you look at that? It's an O-ring. That's it. You mean to tell me that's why you was leaking, bruh? That's crazy. You know another thing that's crazy? I went to Honda and bought an O-ring, but I got a whole O-ring kit just collecting dust. Anyways, again, all I really gotta do to fix this issue is take this O-ring off, put the new O-ring on, bolt back down to 10s, and add some power steering fluid, and that's it. Does not take that long at all. I don't know where my pick's at, so I gotta use a screwdriver for right now. I know I'm not tripping. Ouch. Oh, I just tapped the fuck out of my foot. Bro. This time, I'm gonna take a razor and I'm gonna just cut the O-ring. So then I ain't gotta fight with it. There we go. I should be able to take it off with ease and not have no issues. Supposedly. There we go. Look at this. That's the old O-ring right there. This is the new O-ring. This O-ring is a Honda part. They'll go to part number if you need it. And yeah, time to install. So yeah, the line, the O-ring. We putting the O-ring on. O-rings on. Place the line in there. The two 10mm bolts. I'm gonna make sure to snug before I hit it with the ratchet. Put everything that I took off back how I found it. That O-ring seemed to be worn and rounded out, so the new one should do the job. I am gonna clean all of this up. When I clean all of this up, we'll be able to tell if it's still leaking. So I'm gonna add some fluid in a few, and we're gonna take this to the car wash and clean it whenever I got time. So I got power steering again, but now we gotta make sure that that was the issue. 90% sure that that was the issue though. It looks like I fixed it daily, but next I gotta go, wash that area off and make sure it's not leaking anymore. Since it's been too cold lately, I decided not to go to the car wash and spray this off. I grabbed some brake cleaner and I sprayed it off up here. So if it's leaking, then we know that I didn't fix the issue. So we're gonna see if it's gonna leak. We're gonna check it in the next couple of days and see if it's wet up here. Just to give y'all an update, that fixed the leak. So no more power steering leak.